Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we delve into the world of high-quality audio gear. Today, we have something truly exceptional to share with you: the Yamaha YH-5000SE headphones. These headphones have caught our attention with their outstanding performance and unique design. Let's take a closer look. When you think of Yamaha, you may immediately associate them with their renowned home cinema amplifiers. But Yamaha's expertise extends far beyond that, encompassing musical instruments, motorcycles, and professional audio equipment. While their domestic headphone range often goes unnoticed, Yamaha is determined to change that with the introduction of their flagship YH-5000SE headphones. The YH-5000SE features a morphodynamic driver, also known as a planar magnetic driver, which offers advantages in terms of lower distortion and greater responsiveness. Yamaha has carefully developed this driver over the years, resulting in a circular diaphragm with a spiral coil. The package includes a choice of ear pads, with the default perforated leather option providing excellent comfort. The alternative Toray Ultra Suede option offers a slightly fuller sound but may feel warmer on the ears. The build quality of the headphones is exceptional, with a focus on functionality rather than luxurious aesthetics. To truly appreciate the YH-5000SE headphones, it's crucial to pair them with high-quality equipment. These headphones are so capable and transparent that the sky's the limit when it comes to partnering kits. Our testing was conducted using top-notch sources and amplification, including Naeem's North Dakota 555-555, PS Dr. Music Streamer, and Chord's Hugo TT2 DAC headphone amplifier. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect, the sound quality. The Yamaha YH-5000SE headphones are exceptional performers, rivaling even the equivalent Stax electrostatic headphones in terms of resolution and clarity. However, they offer a more enjoyable listening experience with their verve and balanced presentation. The YH-5000SE headphones excel in revealing textures, low-level information, and subtleties that other premium headphones may miss. They effortlessly render bass with clarity and articulation, delivering power when required and finesse when needed. Whether it's Bruce Springsteen's passionate vocals or the intricate details of an orchestral piece, these headphones excel in every aspect. The Yamaha YH-5000SE headphones also shine in terms of timing, rhythm, and dynamics. Their organic and fluid sound sets them apart from other headphones, offering a natural and uncluttered listening experience. Despite their exceptional transparency, they don't overly emphasize flaws in recordings, instead allowing the music to take center stage. These headphones do come with a hefty price tag, but their depth of ability justifies the investment. When paired with capable electronics, the Yamaha YH-5000SE headphones offer an unparalleled audio experience that surpasses anything we've encountered at this level. We highly recommend these exceptional performers. That concludes our review of the Yamaha YH-5000SE headphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more audio gear reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.